Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we will do 40 plus MCQs in the general chemistry and these questions based on the topic that is metals, minerals and ores. So if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, so you can subscribe the channel, and if you subscribe then don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session with the first question. Question is, which of the following is found in the highest quality as percentage by mass in the earth's crust? A option is silicon, B is oxygen, C option is carbon and D option is calcium. So right answer is option B, that is oxygen. Next question is, approximately how many types of chemical elements are found? A option is 300, B is 250, C option is 200 and D option is 100. So the right answer is option D, that is 100. Next question is, the most abundant element in the earth's crust is? A option is oxygen, B is nitrogen, C option is manganese and D option is silicon. So the most abundant element in the earth crust is oxygen, that is option A will be the right answer. And one more important point, when this type of question asked in your examination, so आपको question क्या करना है, अच्छे से read out करना है. एलिमेंट की बात की जा रही है या मेटल की बात की जा रही है, राइट? अगर एलिमेंट पूछा जाए देन द आंसर विल बी ऑक्सीजन. अगर पूछा जाए मोस्ट अबंडेंट मेटल इन द अर्थ क्रस्ट इज, देन द आंसर विल बी एल्यूमिनियम, राइट? सो आपको अच्छे से दोनों पॉइंट्स को याद रखना है और ये क्वेश्चन जो है इंपॉर्टेंट वन है एग्जाम के लिए, राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच इज द मोस्ट अबंडेंट एलिमेंट आफ्टर ऑक्सीजन? अगर ऑक्सीजन के बाद की बात करें तो सेकंड नंबर पर कौन सा एलिमेंट आता है? योर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज सिलिकॉन, बी ऑप्शन इज कार्बन, C option is sodium and D option is chlorine. So the right answer is option A, that is silicon. First one is oxygen, then silicon. Okay. अगर मेटल की बात करें तो आएगा एल्यूमिनियम. Okay. Next question is, which of the following is an element? A option is sand, B is diamond, C option is marble and D option is sugar. So right answer is option B, that is diamond. Next question is, which is the mineral structure of diamond? A option is carbon, B is nitrogen, C option is nickel and D option is zinc. So right answer is option A, that is carbon. Next question is, which of the following is most abundant element in the universe? A option is hydrogen, B is oxygen, C option is nitrogen and D option is carbon. So right answer is option A, that is hydrogen. Now try to differentiate the question guys जो हमने previous किया. हमने वहां पर देखा दैट मोस्ट अबंडेंट एलिमेंट ऑन द अर्थ क्रस्ट, राइट? तब आंसर आएगा ऑक्सीजन. अब यहाँ पर बात की जा रही है दैट इज द मोस्ट अबंडेंट एलिमेंट इन द यूनिवर्स, राइट? सो द आंसर विल बी हाइड्रोजन. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ आर रूबी एंड सफार नोन केमिकली? ए ऑप्शन इज सिलिकॉन डाइऑक्साइड, बी इज एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड, सी ऑप्शन इज लेड ट्राइऑक्साइड एंड डी ऑप्शन इज बोरोन नाइट्राइड. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड. Next question is, nowadays yellow lamps are being used in large scale in street lighting. Which of the following is used in these lamps? A option is sodium, B is neon, C option is hydrogen and D option is nitrogen. It means जो yellow types of lamps जो है street lighting के लिए use होते हैं उनमें कौन सी गैस होती है, right? So the right answer is option A, that is sodium. Next question is the formula of plaster of Paris. This question is also very important. Your A option is calcium sulfate, that is CaSO4, B option is CaSO4 half H2O, C option is CaSO4 and H2O and D option is CaSO4 and 2 molecules of H2O. So the formula of plaster of Paris is option B, that is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, or we can say that CaSO4 or half molecule of H2O. Next question is, no reaction takes place when steam pass over. A option is aluminium, B is copper, C option is carbon and D option is iron. So right answer is option B, that is copper. Next question is, which of the following electronic configuration is for metallic element? A option is 28, B is 287, C option is 288 and D option is 2882. So राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज 2882. जो आउटर मोस्ट शेल में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रहते हैं? सो वो रहते हैं 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डॉक्टर्स, आर्टिस्ट एंड स्कल्पचर यूज कैल्शियम सल्फेट विच इज कॉमनली नोन एज? ए ऑप्शन इज स्लेक्ट लाइम, बी ऑप्शन इज लाइमस्टोन, C option is bleaching powder, and D option is plaster of Paris. So right answer is option D, that is plaster of Paris. हमने previously किया that formula of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Next question is, which of the following does not react at all with water? A option is iron, B is lead, C option is magnesium, and D option is aluminium. Right answer is option B, that is lead. Next question is, which is the most reactive metal? A option is sodium, B is calcium, C option is iron, and D option is potassium. So right answer is option D, that is potassium. Next question is, match the following. There are two lists and list 2 में जो है कुछ metals दिए हुए हैं और list 1 में जो है कुछ distinguished जो है property दी हुई है. So आपको बताना है कौन सा metal के साथ जो है कौन सी property जो है associated है. तो इसका right answer आएगा guys, that is अगर फर्स्ट वन को देखिए, बेस्ट कंडक्शन ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, तो वो होती है आपकी इन चारों मेटल्स में जो है सिल्वर की, राइट. द मोस्ट अबंडेंट मेटल, हमने इसको किया मोस्ट अबंडेंट मेटल, जब पूछा जाएगा तो आंसर आएगा एल्यूमिनियम, राइट. तो मतलब बी आएगा ऑप्शन 3 के साथ. मोस्ट फ्लेक्सिबल एंड मेलिएबल मेटल इज, ये होता है गोल्ड. और पोरेस्ट कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट, दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वो होता है आपका लेड, राइट. तो इस तरह से जो जब क्वेश्चन एग्जाम इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आएगा तो वहां पर आपको 4 कोड दिए होंगे नीचे, तो आपको एक चूज करना है, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, सोडियम लैंप्स इज ऑफन यूज्ड फॉर स्ट्रीट लाइटनिंग बिकॉज. A option is they are cheap, B option is their light is monochromatic and does not get split on passing through water drops, C option is they are soothing to the eyes, and D option is they emit bright light. So the right answer is option B, that is their light is monochromatic and does not get split on passing through the water drops. Next question is, monazite is an ore of, A option is zirconium, B option is thorium, C option is titanium, and D option is iron. So right answer is option B, that is thorium. Next question is, in which one of the following pairs there is a respectively the lightest and the heaviest metal. आपको जो है यहाँ पर मेटल्स दिए हुए हैं, आपको lightest और the heaviest metal जो है बताना है. So first option is lithium and mercury, B is lithium and osmium, C option is aluminium and osmium, D option is aluminium and mercury. So the right answer is option B, that is lithium one is the lightest metal and osmium is the heaviest metal. Next question is, which of the following statements is not correct? A option is liquid sodium is used in nuclear reactor for cooling, B option is calcium carbonate is a component of toothpaste, C option is Bordeaux mixture contains sodium sulfate and lime, and D option is zinc mixtures are used as a tooth filling metals. So right answer is option C, that is Bordeaux mixture contains sodium sulfates and lime. Next question is, the commonly used substance in the fluorescent tube is, A option is sodium oxide and argon, B option is sodium vapor and argon, C option is mercury vapor and argon, and D option is mercuric oxide and neon. So right answer is option C, that is mercury vapor and argon. Next question is, mica is, A option is a conductor of heat and a non-conductor of electricity, B option is non-conductor of both electricity and heat, C option is conductor of both electricity and heat, and D option is non-conductor of heat and conductor of electricity. So mica is a conductor of heat and non-conductor of electricity. So that is A option is the correct one. Next question is, which of the following is the hardest substance? A option is diamond, B is lead, C option is tungsten, and D option is iron. So the example of hardest substance is diamond. Next question is, bauxite ore is to extract the following metal from. Means bauxite is an ore of, simple अगर हम लैंग्वेज में बात करें तो A option is iron, B is copper, C option is aluminium, and D option is silver. So right answer is option C, that is aluminium. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Next question is, which of the following metals is found in free state? A option is aluminium, B gold, C option is chromium, and D option is zinc. So right answer is option B, that is gold. Next question is, iron is obtained from. A option is limestone, B is pitchblende, C option is monazite sand, and D option is hematite. So iron is obtained from the hematite, that is option D is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following is the hardest metal? A option is gold, B iron, C C. Platinum, and D. Tungsten. So right answer is option D, that is tungsten. Next question is, in which of the following industries is mica used as a raw material? A option is iron and steel, B is toys, C option is glass and pottery, and D option is electric. So mica is used as a raw material in electrical industries. So answer D is the right answer. Next question is, which of the following substance has the highest electrical conductivity? A option is diamond, B is silver, C option is graphite, and D option is wood. So right answer is option B, that is silver. Next question is, which of the following substance is very hard and very ductile? A option is carborundum, B option is tungsten, C option is cast iron, and D option is nichrome. Right answer is option D, that is nichrome. Next question is, how many carats is pure gold? A option is 22, B is 24, C option is 28, and D option is 20. So right answer is option B, that is 24. Pure gold equal to 24 carat. Next question is, which of the following is lighter than water? A option is aluminium, B is sodium, C option is magnesium, and D option is manganese. So right answer is option B, that is sodium. आपको जो है 3 याद रख लेने हैं। यहाँ पर देखिए सोडियम थर्ड नंबर पर आता है। अगर हम सबसे लाइटेस्ट की बात करें तो लिथियम आएगा, देन पोटेशियम, एंड देन थर्ड नंबर पर जो है सोडियम। पर यहाँ पर जो ऑप्शन में आपको सोडियम दिख रहा है, तो यहाँ पर आंसर आएगा सोडियम, राइट। Next question is, which of the following metals is liquid at normal temperature? A option is lead, B is mercury, C is nickel, and D is tin. Very important question. So the right answer will be option B, that is mercury. Next question is, very soft mineral that is talc soapstone is actually. A option is manganese silicate, B is sodium silicate, C option is sodium phosphate, and D option is magnesium silicate. Right answer is option D, that is magnesium silicate. Next question is, which of the following is the main mineral to obtain aluminium from? A option is hematite, B is lignite, C option is bauxite, and D option is magnetite. So right answer is option C, that is bauxite. और इस क्वेश्चन को हम थोड़ा सा जो है इसी तरह का जो है प्रीवियसली कर चुके हैं। Next question is, the main components of the pearls are. A option is calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, B option is arginine and conchiolene, C option is ammonium sulfate and sodium carbonate, D option is calcium oxide and ammonium chloride. The right answer is option B, that is arginine and conchiolene. Next question is, pearl is mainly made of. A option is calcium oxalate, B option is calcium sulfate, C option is calcium carbonate, and D option is calcium oxide. So the right answer is option C, that is calcium carbonate. Next question is, mercury is usually used in thermometers because its property is. A option is high density, B is high fluidity, C option is high conductivity, and D option is high specific heat. So right answer is option C, that is high conductivity. Next question is, the chemical name of limestone is. A option is calcium carbonate, B is magnesium chloride, C option is sodium chloride, and D option is sodium sulfide. So right answer is option A, that is calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3. Next question is, what is the correct decreasing order of the following substances according to their densities? There are three substances, that is steel, mercury and gold. आपको जो है इनको डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर डेंसिटीज। तो आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज गोल्ड की डेंसिटी इन तीनों में सबसे ज्यादा रहेगी, देन मर्करी एंड आफ्टर दैट स्टील, राइट। So guys, इसी के साथ I end up today's session. I hope that you love the content. So please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.